Thank you, Deputy President. I'm using my time today to read out a speech written by Rachel, a young person from WA. Rachel submitted this speech to the Raise Our Voice campaign. They said, and I quote, "The past 8 years of my life have been plagued by various mental health conditions. Whilst I am new on the road to recovery, there have been periods filled with revolving door psychiatric admissions and medical admissions for my anorexia. Throughout my experience, I've been subject to relentless and countless instances of medical malpractice, neglect, verbal abuse and other horrors, the extent to which cannot be conveyed through words. I have been repeatedly let down by a system that is not equipped to support me as someone who and for whom the cookie-cutter approaches have not worked, and therefore I have been labelled as a failure and too complex. My plea to you is to prioritise mental health and address the appalling lack of funding, education and resources that we dedicate to this issue, particularly on eating disorders. Instead of following outdated medical models, platform the voices of those with lived experience, such as myself. We need to incorporate those who have knowledge beyond the textbook and take action to avoid not only the financial burden of repeated admissions that do more harm than good, but also to maintain the human decency and to maintain dignity. Well, thank you, Rachel, for sharing your lived experience with us today.